Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to overlook any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of January 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.34. Now let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has displayed natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 5%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.19% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the upper part of a horizontal trend. Typically, this might indicate a favorable selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the top trend line at $612.87 would signal a strong buying opportunity, possibly indicating a shift in trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 1.05% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 3.43% to positive 1.45%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 22.26% over the next year, with potential returns between 15.79% and 22.82%. This translates to a price range of $706.85 to $749.74 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF presents the headline: SPY ETF downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Thursday trading session. The SPY ETF price decreased by approximately 0.379% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, falling from 612.76 to 610.44. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.768%, with a low of 607.2 and a high of 611.68. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.03% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 6 million shares, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, slightly raising the risk over the next few days. In total, 36 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $22.06 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, and the lowest was $493.86. Currently, the price is 0.45%, or $2.79, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500, represented by the SPY Exchange-Traded Fund, continues to navigate a complex market landscape, facing upward pressure despite some recent caution. While the index has reached record highs, its performance appears to lag compared to more robust rallies in European and Chinese markets. This disparity could lead investors to reconsider their allocations towards SPY, especially as global markets present potentially better returns. Recent trading sessions have shown that investor sentiment on Wall Street is cautious, particularly in light of discussions surrounding Federal Reserve interest rate policies. The market is reacting to indications that rate cuts may not be forthcoming, with futures indicating a slight retreat for the S&P 500. Such uncertainty can create volatility in the short term as investors digest economic signals and their implications for growth. In the longer term, the ongoing bullish trend of the S&P 500 may be challenged if small-cap stocks begin to break out, diverting attention and capital away from large-cap indices like SPY. However, some analysts maintain a generally optimistic outlook, suggesting that the market can continue its upward momentum despite being perceived as overbought. Investors should be aware that persistent caution from the Federal Reserve could slow momentum, which may impact trading strategies focused on SPY. Overall, while the S&P 500 currently enjoys strong positioning, external factors, including global market performance and domestic monetary policy, will be crucial in shaping its trajectory moving forward. The following signals have been identified for SPY. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, and so far it has fallen approximately 0.379%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased in conjunction with falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the exchange-traded fund should be monitored more closely. The SPY exchange-traded fund currently holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the fund. Moreover, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be found at the levels of 608.95 and 599.10. A breakdown below any of these levels will result in sell signals. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average has a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 29 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at 590.83, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of 4.66 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.768%. For the previous week, the daily average volatility for the ETF was 0.661%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $611.45. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $590.83. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $592.10, reflecting a decline of 3%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? SPY presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning you can either hold or accumulate while waiting for further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of February, we expect SPY to open lower by approximately 72.5 cents and begin trading at $609.71. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.